Wrapping up my CES 2018 coverage, I wanted to share with you just some plain awesome tech that I saw on the floor. The first few things come from the LG booth, which include the curved Oled Canyon setup that was breathtaking in almost every single way. LG also had their new AI LG OLED ThinQ display, which features the A9 intelligent processor for gorgeous image renditions and to assist with the TV acting as a hub for all of your smart home items. Thanks to the onboard Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa compatibility, it's going to work seamless with all your existing products. For the more budget-conscious buyer, they also had their NanoCell TVs there that feature active HDR with Dolby Vision and WebOS 3.5 Smart TV on board. It also features an improved design with a nicer stand, plus support for Dolby Atmos soundbars. Finally, to round everything up, I peeked over at LG's new computer monitors, and my inner child peed himself when I saw the new 5K ultra-wide display, well, on display. I need this in my life like I need air to breathe. With a resolution of 5120 by 2160, LG states this is a 21 by 9 5K monitor. It's designed for content creators, that way they can see an entire timeline with panels on each side of the video preview window and have plenty of space to operate in. It's definitely designed with content creators in mind, that way they can see an entire timeline with the panels on each side of the video preview window and still have plenty of space. It features a nano IPS display with professional grade DCI P3 color space coverage. It also supports HDR10 processing with up to 600 nits of brightness. It connects to a PC or Mac through Thunderbolt 3 and provides 60 watts of power back to the computer. This means it should be able to charge a laptop during use, depending on that laptop's wattage. LG also had their new 4K ultra-fine models on display, which sport a fantastic looking panel and a wonderfully simplistic design. Next up at the Samsung booth, I saw the introduction of micro LED technology to the consumer grade market with what Samsung was calling the wall. Basically, the concept is connecting small micro LED panels together to create a completely custom sized display. The ones on the showroom floor were showcasing a resolution of 8K with AI technology that can properly upscale the content that you're watching to give you a realistic looking, properly upscaled image. I can guarantee you the pricing on these things is going to be absolutely insane, but nonetheless, I definitely want one in my house. The Hisense booth was another amazing experience. There were TVs everywhere, ranging from 8K panels to laser projectors and a pretty kick-ass laser show, but there were two main things that really caught my attention the most. The first was this old school retro Oled TV, and I have to say I'm absolutely in love with this thing. Hisense said that they're probably not going to make it to the US market, but in any case, they looked amazing. Hisense, if you're watching, I will be your best friend if you can send one my way so that way I could do a retro style gaming setup. Next up is their massive 150-inch dual color laser TV that was just like, wow. The image off of this thing just blew me away, and quite frankly, I would love to sit in front of this thing, put on a scary movie, eat some popcorn, and just enjoy my night. I can't wait to feature more Hisense content on the channel, so make sure you stay tuned. CES 2018 has been a blast, and I just want to thank all of you and my sponsors for giving me the ability to provide you with all of this content and coverage. Make sure you subscribe if you're not already for future videos, and turn on notifications so you can be alerted whenever new videos drop. Also, hit me up on social if you feel like getting at me at any time, and of course, I'll talk to you in the next one.